Trim up a little. Push the lever forward slowly.
Slowly,
push it forward.
very slowly.
Steer with the wheel. Turn it this way. Gradually. Gradually. You don't want to spill us into the water.
Help
All right,
me!
now you see that island? Point right at that island. Turn back that way.
Daddy, where's the fish shop?
We'll get to it.
I can't see!
Look out this way.
Fathead's in the way, Lauren!
You're doing good, Kyle.
It's not that.
Straight.
How do I straighten it? Oh God! Lauren, I can't see!
You're all right, Kyle. I'm watching you.
Just tell me where I'm going. Am I straight? Dad, am I even straight?
Dude, you're fine. See? There's the island right there. You're doing great.
Alright. Am I pointing to the island with the big hills?
Aim right at the island. There's a sailboat way over there.
Now
You're all
look,
right. You're fine.
I really am Wolverine.